To configure users or agents of the software, you should click on the word Administrator on the main screen. Administrator should be shown underneath your name, or agent name if you haven't configured any users yet. If you are configuring your first user, you should modify the pre-existing user called agent name. Fill out the user details as completely as possible, and leave the level of user as administrator. The most important part to understand about users is that they each have their own unique password. A password is the only thing that distinguishes users apart when they go to log in. That is, they don't need usernames. Therefore, when you assign a password to a user, you'll be asked to make it unique. When users open the software, they will be prompted for their unique password. Clicking Change Password will allow you to set a new password for the currently displayed user. You should change it from the default of 123456 to something else. Let's create another user. To add a user to the system, click the green Add User button at the top left. The system supports 3 user types, or levels. You can have administrators, executives, or agents. Administrators can do anything in the software, and you should have at least one. They have no restrictions whatsoever. Executive users are slightly more restricted, meaning they will be prevented when performing certain dangerous actions. Agents are the normal level of users. Most of your users should be agents. Again, click Change Password to assign this user a password for logging in. Being an administrator, you have the power to regulate all of the crucial system settings. This way, your agents don't have to mess with many settings or get the chance to break them. Along these lines, here you have the ability to block chosen agents when performing particular actions, like adding, modifying, or deleting records. You can also prevent agents from entering sensitive areas, like accounts receivable, etc. Over on the right, you see a list of the users you've created and the user account type. Clicking on a user will display their settings and allow you to change their password. Now, let's try logging in using the new password we set for user John Smith and make sure everything is in order. To exit the program, always use the house icon of the top navigation buttons. This will lead you back to the main menu, at which point you could click Exit. For now, let's try logging in as John Smith with his new password. As you can see, we were correctly identified as John Smith, based only on the secret password we entered on the front screen.